Alright guys, listen. Have you guys ever heard this much birds, this many birds, chirping at once? Yeah, everything is getting yellow and green up there. Not sure if you guys can tell. A little bit you guys can tell. This is crazy. Sounds like a building full of birds out here. Probably all over the woods. It's crazy. Buds on that tree. So peaceful standing out here, listening to all the birds. Beautiful evening. About 61 degrees. Tomorrow and Friday are gonna be cold. So 45 and 43. Brr. Of course, the pickup truck down there is gonna ruin all the birds chirping.